without further ado, let's get right into this video. So this company, I already know it's gonna be backwards, y'all. Don't even say nothing because I already know. So this company, Arabella, they sent me some hair. And we're gonna get straight into it. Like I said, we're not dragging our video today. Oh, y'all, Jesus. Oh, I ripped the box. Anyway, so, and the box got a little beat up, but that's not their fault. That's whoever shipped this box. No way, the company, whoever, the people that, never mind. But yeah, so they sent me this hair. This is, as soon as you open the box, okay, let me, child. So they sent me this hair, and as soon as you open the box, okay, we got this. We got this right here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Before we even get to the hair, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's cute. What does it say on it? Is this English? I was trying to figure out the words and stuff that it said. Child, anyways, so let's see what's in here. Okay, a cute little headband. Y'all think I should have wore this in the video? I just put my eye. Okay. Cute little headband they put in here. Hold up, cause my eyes watering. But this is cute. Hold on, y'all. My eyes watering. I'm gonna be back, cause give me a second. I'm good. We're good now. We're good. So yeah, so cute little headband in here that I might keep on for the rest of the video, and y'all are not gonna say anything about it. Y'all just gonna mind your business. Oh, wig cap. Oh no. Oh, wig caps, plural. There's two. Did I show you my nails already? Focus. Child, anyways, though, I got my nails done, y'all, and I'm really happy about it. Like, I'm so happy I got my nails done. We out here feeling like a baddie now. And we about to get some new hair on our head. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, they sent me the wig cap. Oh, wig caps. My bad. Plural. And the edge brush. They sent me an edge brush. Oh, hold up. Oh, look at this clip. This clip is so cute. I mean, maybe not like right here exactly like this, but let me put it on this side. This clip is cute, y'all. And then we got another basic clip. No, this one's basic though. This one's not. This one is. Hold up, cause get into it. Ooh, focus. Get into it. Okay, did y'all get into it? Cause yeah. Real cute. That's everything that came in the bag. Okay, so now it's time to get down to the nitty gritty. Now, let me take this off. Ooh. Now, let me just open this hair. So they sent me 18 inches. 18 inches of their deep wave. I don't remember the exact name of the hair or all the details. But of course, I'm gonna leave all the details that you need to know in the description box down below, because that rhymes. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this hair open. I'm too aggressive. Yes, I know. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Smell isn't that bad. Not that bad. Not that bad. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this paper. Oh, yo. Oh, let me take the paper out too. Oh, y'all, I forgot. I forgot it was a 360. So So yeah, this is a 360. Dang, this thing is thick, honey. Oh yeah, it's nice and full. Oh yes, honey. Oh yes, honey, because I can already tell. Look at, oh yes, honey. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Y'all, I can't wait to get it in my head. Okay. Oh, hold on. There was something else. I forgot I had this. It fell out the box when I first got it. So this, I'm about to show y'all exactly what this is. Ooh. Okay. So this is an elastic band, right? Crap. It comes with two. These are elastic bands. But what they did, I've never seen this before, so I was pretty happy about it. So what they did was on the inside, they put these because, yeah, there's two of them. Because you can clip it. Like you can, oh my gosh, y'all, like this is exciting because I've never seen this before. I don't know if people have been doing it, and I just haven't bought a wig in a long time, so I wouldn't know. But yeah, this is exciting. So what you do is you take it and child, anyway, y'all know what this is. You can clip the freaking elastic band to the wig. It's two for a reason, because you gotta clip. Yeah, okay. It's two for a reason, because you gotta clip this in. Okay, I can't get it because of my nails, but what you do is you take it, you clip one on here, and then you clip the second one right here, and then you clip it again right here. You can unclip and reclip the elastic band. Whew, they are on something. They are on to something. This is next level, baby. This is next level. That's it. That's it right there. So yeah, this is the wig, 360. This is a 360 lace, you know, so that means lace all the way around. All the way around. Okay. But yeah, and the part is like, oh, this is good. Look at all that. Look at all that space. All that parting space right there. Like, dang. Ooh. Okay, yeah, they did some pre-plucking. You know, they pre-plucked. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's definitely pre-plucked. But y'all know we're gonna have to wait and see once we get it on to really see what it's looking like. Smell isn't bad. It's definitely thick. It's way thicker than what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah, y'all, this bad boy right here, I'm in love with her already. I think it was like Jerry Curl. I think, who child? I don't know. I'm gonna have to leave y'all the details in the description box down below. The shipping was like I can't snap, but it was quick. Yeah, y'all, this is from Arabella Hair. I can't say it. I think it's Arabella, one of those. But yeah, this is from them, and I'm ready to put this bad boy on. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it, cause I'm about to take this off. Now I do like this wig. I'm gonna leave the link to this wig too, because I like this wig too. I'm done talking. Let's get this wig on. Let's get this bad boy on. Like, okay, y'all. So I know I look crazy. Yeah, but it doesn't matter because I'm about to put this wig on. So what I did off camera was I cut the lace off all the way around, and I put my wig cap on. Well, actually, my wig cap was already on because y'all know that I just took another wig off, and I don't feel like doing the bald cap method because I just don't. I just don't. Ugh. So I'm about to put this wig on. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna be using Focus this, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This olive oil Fix It Super Whole Spray is better than Gossipy Glue, and that's that on that. Well, I like it better than Gossipy Glue. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this so I can go to sleep. Cause it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay. And really, like, you know, it's the same thing. Just spray. Just spray. I'm not even gonna say nothing because I be talking too much. So today, y'all just gonna watch me put this wig on. Okay? Okay. Okay, y'all, so I went off camera and I wet the hair because, oh my gosh, y'all, okay, y'all, water. But this hair is so thick. I was gonna do it on camera, but then, like, it was taking too long. So I had to, like, go to the bathroom and, like, really wet the hair. But, okay, so I decided to go with the side part. But I kind of wanted, like, that natural, like, oh, flip over look, if you know what I mean. Yes, that's what I was going for. Oh, I just got water in my eye. But yeah, y'all, this hair is really thick, like super thick. But yes, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what to do. Click that bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Because why would you want to miss out? Like, become part of the notification game. Because we're lit. We're lit. We're lit over here. So yeah, more videos to come. And there's more videos for you to go watch that's already on my channel. So go check those out. And that's all. I will see you guys next time in my next video because you're gonna come back. Right? Right? Right. You're gonna come back. So, without further ado, peace out.